How to use the Rekovelle pre-filled pen. Welcome to your guide on how to administer your medication, Rekovelle, using the Rekovelle pre-filled pen provided. Rekovelle is a fertility treatment that's been prescribed by your doctor. Your doctor should have explained the dose you require and how long your treatment will last. The pen comes in 3 different strengths, and your doctor may have prescribed to you one or more of these pens. Before you start, you should ensure you have carefully read the instructions for use leaflet which you have received together with the Rekovelle pre-filled pen. This video will guide you through each step of the injection process. You may pause the video at any time. If you have any questions about your treatment or medication, you should contact your doctor, nurse, or specialist clinic. Before you start, make sure that you have gathered all the items you'll need and that you have prepared a clean surface, such as a table or worktop. These are the parts of the Rekovelle pre-filled pen. You may pause the video if you wish. Before using the Rekovelle pre-filled pen, wash your hands with soap and water and dry them with a clean towel. Pull off the pen cap and check the cartridge with medicine to ensure the medicine is transparent and does not contain particles. Do not use a pen unless the medication is perfectly transparent. Peel the protective foil from a new needle and click the needle onto the cartridge holder. Remove the outer and inner needle caps from the needle and keep the outer cap for later. It's important to prime the Rekovelle pre-filled pen before using the pen for the first time to remove any air bubbles that may be inside the cartridge. Only prime your pen the first time you use it. To do this, turn the dose knob clockwise until the droplet symbol lines up with the dose indicator. Then, point the needle upwards and tap the cartridge holder to move trapped air. With the needle still pointing upwards, press the injection button until the number 0 lines up with the dose indicator. A droplet of liquid should appear at the needle tip. This means your Rekovelle pre-filled pen is ready to use. If no droplet appears, repeat the priming steps up to 5 times. If still no droplet appears, attach a new needle and repeat the priming. Your doctor or nurse will tell you your individualized daily dose of Rekovelle. Make sure the dose window shows 0 and then turn the dose knob clockwise until your prescribed dose lines up with the dose indicator. Each number equals 1 microgram, and each line between 2 numbers equals 0.33 micrograms. The dose can be corrected either up or down without loss of medicine by turning the dose knob in either direction. You're now ready to give your injection. Rekovelle is intended to be given by injection just under the skin, subcutaneously in the abdomen. It's important to alternate the exact site of injection from day to day to lower the risk of skin reactions such as redness or irritation. To inject, gently pinch the skin around the disinfected area between thumb and index finger and insert the needle all the way in, straight into the pinched up skin. Then, place your thumb on the injection button and press it all the way in and hold. When you see the number 0 lined up with the dose indicator, count 5 seconds before slowly pulling the needle straight out of the skin. Now you have successfully completed your daily Rekovelle injection. If blood appears at the injection site, press a cotton ball lightly on the site. After each injection, carefully replace the outer protective needle cap onto the needle and unscrew the needle counterclockwise. Discard the needle according to the instructions given by your healthcare provider or as described in the Instructions for Use leaflet. Please remember that the needle should not be disposed of in household waste. Put the pen cap back on. Do not store the pen with the needle attached. After first use, the Rekovelle pre-filled pen should be stored between 2 and 25 degrees Celsius. For further information on storage, please refer to the Instructions for Use leaflet. Dispose of your used pens in accordance with your local waste regulations. Your doctor or nurse will be able to inform you on how to dispose of the used pens. Note that some liquid will always remain in the pen. This is normal. You may need more than one pen to complete your prescribed daily dose of Rekovelle. If you're not able to dial your complete dose, it means there is not enough medicine left in the pen. You'll need, in this case, to give a split dose injection, meaning part of your prescribed dose using your current pen and the remainder of the dose using a new pen. For example, if your prescribed daily dose of Rekovelle is 8.66 micrograms and you can only dial 2.66 micrograms, you'll have to give the remainder dose using another pen. Before you inject, note down the dose where the pen stopped. You can then inject the 2.66 micrograms. You can easily calculate your remaining dose by subtracting the dose that you have already injected from your total daily dose. Then take a new pen, insert a needle and prime the pen as explained before. You will then dial the 6 microgram dose and inject the remainder dose of medication. Please remember to use a different injection site each time you inject your medication. Should you require further examples on how to do a split dose calculation, please consult your Instructions for Use leaflet. That's it. You're now ready to commence your treatment. Please keep this video as you may wish to refer to it during your treatment. Please remember to keep the Instruction for Use leaflet, and should you have any further questions related to the Rekovelle pen or how to inject your medication, please refer to your specialist, doctor or nurse.